So everyone, we have Kia Ceed 2010 1.6 CRDI steering rack. That's the common problem of them. If you have noise in your suspension, always check steering rack, because the guy before changed all the ball joints, he changed the tracker out ends, he did everything, but he didn't check the steering rack. So can you see it? In a second I'll show you how it should be. It should be like that, not like that. I hope someone helps this video, guys. See you.